What's up, guys? It's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos. And today, what I have here to show you for a third remake is this Lasko 20-inch box fan, model 3733. And as you can see, I got this in white. I actually saw a black Decker box fan, but I got this white one because I got it on sale for $17, which was a very cheap price. Yeah. And this fan is really powerful, as you're going to see in a minute. And one thing I want to describe to you guys is the logo right here. I'm sure you saw on my 1844 stand fan, they had the old logo, but this is the new logo that they're going to make from now on, because I saw this on the metal box fan. So this is the logo that they'll make from now on instead of that uppercase one. So yeah, now let's get on with the fan. So, here's hi. It blows a ton of air, and it's very powerful. Here's medium. It starts to quiet down a little bit, and it's still very powerful. And here's a low. It is pretty quiet, and it starts to pull less air a little bit. And here's off. So there you have it, guys. My Lasko 20-inch box fan, model 3733. Thank you guys for watching.